Yo, what's up? Jonathan Register here. This video is a follow-up video to yesterday's video on how to get free viral traffic from Facebook. So, for one, if you haven't watched that video on how to get free viral traffic from Facebook, make sure you watch that video first, and then after you watch that video, if you decide, yeah, I want to get free viral traffic from Facebook, and yeah, I want to use that plugin that Jonathan recommended in order to do that, then continue watching this video, all right? And I had a lot of questions come up from that video from yesterday, and so I want to clear up some confusion, and I want to help you be able to use this without having to get a programmer, without like banging your head on the desk. And I kind of took this little piece of the equation for granted because I've had to do this before, and I've had the many nights of banging my head on the desk, you know, trying to figure stuff out. And so I've done this before, and it's not that hard. And so let me just show you really quickly how to do this. So basically, the issues that people have been having are getting the Facebook comments to actually show up on their blog. And so the first step is you need to install the Ultimate Facebook plugin. And let me just show that to you one more time. Ultimate Facebook plugin. You can just Google that. I'm not an affiliate for it. And look for a link that looks something like this. The guys that make it, it's their WPMUDEV.org. That's their website. That's the plugin. So it is a paid plugin. It's 19 bucks. Again, I'm not an affiliate, so it's up to you. Like I think it's worth it, in my opinion, to have this capability to get free viral traffic from Facebook. And basically, it enables you to use the Facebook comments on your blog really easily, and in doing so, when people leave comments through your Facebook comments, their comments are going to be put on their Facebook profile, and so their entire network is going to see that comment, giving you free viral traffic. So that's kind of the gist of yesterday's video. But again, watch yesterday's video, and it'll make more sense, and you'll get more excited about it. So download this plugin. Once you do that, install it. They walk you through how to do that. It's a simple process. But from there, you just have to go inside of your WordPress and go to this little Facebook thing, and it's going to walk you through how to get this plugin set up. But the place where people are getting caught up, and maybe the place you're caught up at is you've installed it, and for some reason, Facebook comments is still not showing up. And so what do you do? What's wrong? Well, probably what's happening is your particular WordPress theme is not it's just a WordPress theme that for some reason it just doesn't put the code on the right page for this to work correctly. And my plugin or my theme does that. Like like I had to manually put in this one little line of code on a particular page inside of my WordPress backend, and I'll show you how to do this. So don't get scared, like don't get all worried. I'll show you exactly how to do this. But the theme it is going to be different from theme to theme. I'm using the headlines theme. This is from Woo Themes. You can check that out if you scroll down to the bottom of my blog, click on Woo Themes, and that will take you to the theme I'm using. And so these instructions are really for the headlines theme. And if you use a different theme other than headlines, it's going to be a little bit different, and you may have to, you know, spend 10 bucks, 15 bucks to have someone do this for you if you can't figure it out through my instructions. But yeah, I think, you know, if you just watch, you can figure this out, even if you're using a different theme. All right, so let me just show you how to do this. So you got to go inside of your blog, inside of your WordPress admin area, and again, you have to install Ultimate Facebook plugin. You got to install that first. Go through these first tabs, get everything set up, and then when you get down to the Facebook comments, what you want to do is, so just, you know, this is how I have it set up for mine, like, and then let me kind of go here to the bottom. Basically, what you want to do, so this is the problem, like, and it says right here, like, if you experience, like, if your theme, if you don't see you set this up, you don't see Facebook comments appearing on your blog, then it's probably because of your theme. And if that's the case, then you need to fill this out and do exactly what I'm showing you how to do. So where it says use a custom hook advanced, all I did is I just typed in Facebook comments. And you don't like, you can name it whatever you want, but just do what I'm doing here just to keep it easy. So Facebook comments, that's what I typed in. And you know, again, you can pause this video. You can match my settings if you want. Like I have a million pages, and I don't want to import comments from these other random pages. I don't even know what they are. This is the only thing that I care about here. And I don't know why there's 2 Jonathan registers. I don't know. Maybe it's, I don't know. But so I just left that unchecked. And notify post authors, I just left that checked. And you can import comments if you have an existing comment. You can just click that. It won't hurt anything, I don't think. It didn't hurt my blog. And use Facebook for comments, check that. I left that unchecked. I put my width at 625. Show Facebook comments reverse order, I just left that unchecked. I will put that, and then so put in Facebook comments, click on save changes to this section. Alright, and so once you do that, now we need to go to a particular page inside our WordPress admin area and insert this little piece of code. And it tells you right here, if everything else fails and your Facebook comments doesn't show up. So let me take one step back. Like if your Facebook comments are showing up, you don't need to do this. All right, you don't mess with this. Don't do what I'm showing you how to do. But if you install it and you match these settings up here, you click save, and your Facebook comments aren't showing up, then you do need to do this. So if all else fails, you can enter this code in your theme where you want your comments to appear, and that's what we're going to do. So that's the line of code, but the only thing you got to do is replace my actions name, replace it with this, and I'll show you. So I'll show you in a second. It'll make more sense. All right, so once you do that, click Save Changes. From there, I'm just going to go over here. I have it already pulled up. You're going to want to go to Appearance Editor. Appearance Editor. Click that. And then from there, what you're going to want to do is under this templates thing, you're going to want to scroll down and look for single.php. And more than likely, like it's going to be, you know, I think no matter what theme you're using, it probably is going to be something similar to this, single.php. So look for something similar to that. Click that. And it's going to bring up single.php. And if you don't understand what the heck any of this stuff is, that's totally cool. It took me a long time to kind of understand some of this stuff. And you don't have to understand all this stuff. And so now, all we got to do is we want to place this piece of code here in this page where we want the Facebook comments to appear. So basically, what this is single.php. It's the template, like, that your theme uses to create your posts. So that's kind of a basic explanation of it, in case you're wondering what it is. So that's the code, and so let me show you where I put it. Actually, I'm just going to search for this. Bear with me for a second. Alright, there it is. So, this right here, let's see. Facebook comment. Okay, so this is, trying to see. Actually, here we go. This is the code right here. Sorry, had to like what? I'm confused here. This is the code that you want to add. So all it is that you just add this code right here, but you replace my action name with, you just put Facebook comments. Right, so that's the code right there, and maybe I'll paste this below this video just so you can see it, or maybe I'll put in a text file of this file so you can just, if you have headlines theme, you can just copy the entire file and paste it and save and update, and it should work. So Facebook comments here, and all you got to do is just insert that line. And if you're using a different theme like the placement, so you can see the placement of where I put it. This is the end of this file. And you can see that's where I put it in this particular file. And if I were to move this, put this somewhere else, the Facebook comments is going to show up somewhere different on this page. And so for the headlines theme, that's where you want to put it. So that's how you do it. That's how you get the Facebook comments to show up. So again, you just go to, first you have to, you know, use a custom hook, change that to whatever you want. I'll say, man, my nose keeps itching. Just change that to whatever you want. Click Save, go to Appearance, Editor, and then look for something that says single posts. If you're using headlines, just look for this that says single post, single.php. Click on it. And then all you got to do is add this line right here. So you can pause. Let me just highlight it the right. Pause the video and just type that out. Type that out exactly, or it won't work right. Add that in that particular spot, and it should work. So if like you use a totally different theme than me and you want to get this done right, and you're not comfortable doing this yourself, then go to odesk.com, create a little ad, and say the title of the ad, say Facebook comments. Just say, hey, I use a WordPress. I have a WordPress blog using the X theme, whatever your theme is, and I'm trying to get Facebook comments to show up on my blog posts. I need someone to help me to do this. And just put an ad saying that, and you'll find people that should be able to do it for you for like dirt cheap. Like, this should cost you like $10, $15. You can actually send them this video and say, look, this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get Facebook comments to show up, like this goofy guy is talking about in the video, and you know, I need to add this little line of code to my single.php page. Can you do that for me? And they $10, $15 max this should cost you, because this will take someone like 5 minutes to do who knows their way around WordPress. All right, so that's it. And if you use headlines, I'll probably copy this I'll copy this entire thing for you, and I'll put it in a text file. And so if you use headlines, you can just copy, paste the entire file in here, click update, and it should work for you fine. And I'm not responsible for anything that messes up. Like, you know, if you have any problems, have any other technical problems, go get someone on odesk.com that can help you. It should be dirt cheap. But I'm giving you this text file just to try to help you, but I'm not responsible for anything that happens. All right, but it worked for me. So anyways, so by downloading the file, you agree to do that. I figure I got to do some type of legal thing. All right, guys, have a great day, and hope that helped you out. Hope that you know, share your results that you get by using this plugin and installing the Facebook comments. If you start getting viral traffic, you start seeing people leave more comments, share your results with me, and just tell me thank you or something like that. That helps me. That keeps me going, because I'm doing this stuff for you, to help you. Have a great day. Jonathan Register, out.